still over here today. I'm doing what I say. I'm still over here today. I'm doing things my way. I'm still over here today. I'm doing what's on my mind. I'm still over here today. I'm gonna speak my mind. I'm talking about that people, but still the what I did. I'm doing everything today, but still I'm not gonna hit it. I'm heading over here today, but no, that's not my style. I'm still over here today. Some things that try me well. I've been into the military, so what you see? Some people's over here today, they try to go by me. I got the thing that's shaking, they down beside me. So now the people's over here, but still I'm on me. They saying I got that what's today, that ring up in my ear. Some people telling me today, oh yes, you not near. They saying that you alright, they say you still young. That even though my body hurt, but still they say I'm young. They say you don't need surgery, but still I know what's right. I'm over here today, you know, oh yes, I keep it tight. I said that I'm doing this, I say I'm in that pain. So I will leave you all up on this game. I'm still up in this down now, so yes, I'm telling you. Still, I'm over here now. This just so what I do. I'm still gonna tell you that what I seen today. I'm talking about I seen what I seen the thing in my way. I used to walk up on the street, they call me N words, but people's over here today. Oh yes, that's what I heard. They said I could not make it. They said I will not walk. They said I could not be the one that talking on that block. They said that I go to war. They said that I'm black. Some people's over here today. They said I don't like that. They said that I don't like the way that you talk. But still I'm over here today. I walk that walk. I'm still telling all y'all what is on my mind. I'm still telling you today. Oh yes, I'm in my prime. I'm telling you the people don't go stop on your shine. I'm over here today, you know. Oh yes, I'm in my prime. Still I'm over here today when I wanna say. Some people telling me today, they say I'm crazy. I'm still over here today, but still I'm talking up. I want to give you positive because that what is up. So when I see nobody, they blowing up to me. Some people burning up today, they bout to pump on me. Some people just are running, they running for their life. Some people's over there today, some don't feel that night. Some people lose their loved ones, some losing that they save. Some people's over here today, so what we do today? I'm still saying what's up, I still got pray for you. So everybody let me, I want to support you. I'm in my own mind, oh yes, I'm talking about. I want to show that positive thing, that what it's all about. I don't want that negative that's up in that world. Some people's over there today said, Jay, so where's your girl? I said that I need what? I said I need my peace. Some people's over here today, oh yes, I'm not that peace. The way you over there today, you with them bad vibes. I'm gonna keep you up today. I leave you up outside. I'm still on when I'm talking about me. Still I'm over here today, knowing what I see. I'm still up in my own vibe, I'm up in my side. I'm still over here today, you know where I ride. I'm still been to up and down, I've been to that war. Some people's over here today, you never been to war. So when I tell you about this, I'm telling you from what? Because I say I'm still here, I'm about to shout it up. I'm still here, some people, so yes, what's on my mind? I started in Germany, oh yes, I like that time. I had to meet some good friends, I'm still cool with them. Some people's over there now, they up and in the them. They in them to tell me, oh yes, I'm liking me. I need to go over there and so we could get in. I want to buy that with you because I'm still in nine. I got them videos today because they're drinking time. I know I do not drink what, but people think it's joke. But still I'm over here though, but still I say I'm woke. I'm making sure my people's coming back. Oh Oh yes, I'm over here today. Oh yes, I got your bag. Oh, still with what is on mine. That mind of what I see. I want to say I'm happy. I want to go and see. I'm still telling you though. I want to see you grow. But still I'm over here today. I don't need you though. So, and I say I see what. Oh, still I'm on my mind. Still I'm over here today. Oh yes, I'm in my prime. Oh yes, I said I'm still what? I'm still doing me. Some people say, you know what? We in this industry. Oh yes, I said we hold up. I'm holding you with pride. But still I'm over here today. Oh yes, I got your bag. But if you got that neck though, I will go leave you though. I kick you over there now. I leave you at that door. I said I want to see you. I want to see you shine. Yes, I'm over here today. That's just a who am I? I am that man that still what? I'm standing tall. Because I'm over here today. I got the Audi wall. The walls is just for my piece. That piece up in that street. So many people's over here. They trying to mess with me. But still I'm over here though. But still I got my flow. Some people say I want to see you grow. Say I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Saying I'm still here. Saying I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Yes, I'm still here.